Hey guys, got a little cool backpack here to review. Of the backpacks and the hydration bladders I've messed with, this is my favorite. There's a lot of really cool designs here. You can tell that they put a lot of thought into it. So it's a hydration bladder backpack. So let's talk about the hydration bladder first. Inside the hydration bladder pocket, it's got a 2-liter bladder. It's marked in ounces and liters. Little quick disconnect for you to clean the bladder. And it's got a little neoprene cover over the hose. That's good, so number one, it insulates, but it also keeps it from abrading. Big mouth to put ice in there, and then it hangs off of this strap so that it doesn't get down here to the bottom. Now, you route it out through the hole in the top, right next to the little carry strap, and then the way they did the straps, I can route the hose underneath here, under my left or my right strap, so that it sits there right for me to use, right? Going on to some of the other things I like about it. It's got a chest strap, which I find as I get older, I like that better. Run my hose through the little snap here to keep it up out of the way. Right? It's got a little waist pocket that goes on the waist strap, kind of like a fanny pack. I can put my wallet or whatnot, maybe some trail mix to go with my drinking water. Okay, nice padded straps. I've got another water bottle sides on the sides. And then one thing I really like is these zipper pulls. They have some rubber here to keep them big, to make it really easy to get to. So for $30, looking at the stitching, it's not really bad stitching. It isn't your typical Chinese knockoff backpack that starts to fray within a use or two. Good sized, nice padding, maybe a good day pack, right? You wouldn't put too much stuff in it. But for a 72-hour pack or a day hiking trip or maybe going to the park, this is perfect, right? Fill it up with ice, and it's got enough insulation that I can have nice cool water. So for $30, you can't hardly beat it. Thanks.